open if you want to see, but I try to run the dogs every morning before we go to work since I work such long shifts. But look at the Rockies in the background. Aren't they pretty? Snow-capped. Sun shining on them. Puppies running down the road. My 4 girls. So pretty. Running towards the Rocky Mountains. The last of the decent days before a winter snowstorm comes in. Look at the big boy. We just did the barn. We cleaned the barn. Looky. Got the beds all set up for the kitties and everybody. There's the peacocks. Hello, peacocks. We got all the power ran back out here. I did this the other day. We got all their power ran. So they have light when we have to lock them in. Gotta get this bed finished cleaned out and filled back up with straw.